Yeah, could you get
Then you
one?
can walk straight in.
Trying to
And
get one
Hello. Hi. Thank you. Nice,
Do a
huh?
little introduction,
Nice.
We use the signs here in our pavilion as kind of a medium, in this case as a screen, because we, as you see, we are projecting pictures on the sands during the design of the different patterns. And they are not any pictures, they are pictures of sand pools, 1,000 times bigger. And these special pictures were made at the Technical University of Vienna, and they used a very special type of microscope called a scanning electron microscope. And that's what we want to show here. Additionally, it's very meditative to watch the marble drawing these patterns. And the marble is controlled by a robotic arm down beneath, and it controls the marble, and it also shows the marble where to go and what to draw. And the patterns are either connected to the host country, so to the UAE, or to Austria. At the moment, it's drawing the Expo logo. That's the connection to the UAE. And it also draws the national flower from Austria called Edelweiss, or a traditional Austrian wood design. Yeah, that's what you see here. Hello, welcome. Hi. So here you can watch the marble drawing these patterns into the sand. And we decided for sand because sand is a very common good in this region. And sand can be so much more than just a thing in the desert or at the beach. And here you use the sand as kind of a medium, in this case as a screen. And we're also protecting pictures on the sand.
How are you?
Thank you. All good.
Good. Really think. Thank you. Hey.